Hello and welcome to The Cave. This is the Stellantis virtual visualization space where you can really explore products immersively before they even go into manufacturing, and we can get a feel for them firsthand. Before I take you through the work we've done for MND, I just want to introduce to you and remind you of the type of project this is. This is a type of project where we went from first ideation, a consider phase that we like to say, which is really to understand the future context for our customers, how the product's going to be used, how it fits into the future environments, right through to creating communication assets at the end of the project to help support and sell and amplify the story of the projects we're creating. I would now like to take you through the MND project. And who is MND? MND is a French-based company developing roadway systems, cable cars. And they came to us asking us to design a new cable car system for them that could be used in multiple environments, from the leisure environment through to future cities, through to the mountain environment, all with one product. And here you can see behind me a film that we produced to set the scene of the future context and the future customer needs. Hi Leon, how's it going with the project?
Fine.
Good, excellent. I'd now like to take you through the conceive phase of the project, how we actually went from initial sketch through into the final design. As you can see from the sketch behind me, that actually this design really focused on creating a unique window on the world. The window in the front of the gondola became the strongest element, and we thought this was a great element to carry forwards and became very distinctive to the design. And we brought that forward into the seat bench and into the base station as well. I'm now standing in the cave, which is our visualization space in 3D. And what was really important for our customer was understanding the width of the door and size and ingress, egress, so that people could get in and out of the gondola effectively. Okay, so here we are, Jean-Guillaume, in the base station, standing underneath the base station with the doors of the gondola open, where we would enter the gondola normally. Could you say a little bit about this, how you perceive this space?
Yes. This is a 16 people gondola with 10 seats, and you can implement inside 16 people. And this size is very good because you can go inside with a wheeling chair very easily. And also for the mountain leisure, you can go with 2 bicycles. And it's a good size for mountain and for urban application.
Once we had an initial design that was bought into by the customer, it was then about developing the design, the cultivate stage we like to call it. Here behind me you can see an image of the stamping technology that actually we developed with Stellantis expertise that really allowed us to increase the perceived quality of this design and put an accent right around that beautiful window that we've created on the gondola. Another key element of this project was actually the modularity of the design, to actually be able to create the same gondola but in different configurations that you can see behind me, moving to a 16 seat and then to a 20 seat, but using the same stamping technology. In terms of the bench seat, also the comfort was very important. So here we actually worked on the technology and innovation to allow you to have maximum comfort on the bench seat. And in the base station, we developed this design to have a unique identity again, this window on the world that's very much like the gondola, to create the character of the base station. Here you can see another key important characteristic of the design was to make it personalizable. So each of MND's customers could make their own unique identity with this design. Once we had the design, we had to understand what the identity for the project was. What's the correct name? And we came up with MND, our customer, the name ORIZON, and we tried to create unique graphics to really emphasize this design and really show this, again, unique window on the world as part of the O. Okay, so moving on to the final stage of this project. How do you communicate a project like this, a unique window on the world? What we did with MND is we worked with them to actually create these beautiful assets they could use in all their mediums, in their presentation material, that actually help communicate the technical elements of this design on the seat front, the safety aspects, on the base station, how it looked and feel for future customers, and including the technical elements, the single motor used in the system. And here we actually also created a unique video that could demonstrate to them all of the features of the design in one short animation.